So today we're here on the City Line, and today we're going to explain a new extension on the City Line. This is the second extension on the line. It's been extended from Ruislip Airbase to another station called Edgware Park Nature Reserve. So this station is also the only station to have a foot crossing to go to the exit, because when you enter the station you have to go through this foot crossing and then you're on the platform. This station has step-free access, obviously, because there's no stairs. You just have the normal foot crossing there. It's step-free to platform. It has step-free access from street to platform, so it obviously has toilets. The name of this station obviously corresponds with this nature reserve, Edgware Park Nature Reserve, which is only open on Sundays. And obviously it's recorded. And then it has two entrances, one on this side, on the Edgware station side, and then the next one is the Edgware Nature Park Reserve entrance or exit. So it has two entrances, obviously. So yeah, it obviously has lighting, and the zone of this station is in Zone 5 now, which means it's kind of like the Jubilee line, because the Jubilee line is Zone 5 to Zone 2/3, and this is Zone 5 to 2/3, except the fact that the Jubilee line is kind of like this: Zone 5, Zone 4, Zone 3, Zone 2, Zone 1, Zone 2, then Zone 2/3. While this line is kind of like Zone 5, Zone 4/5, Zone 3, Zone 2/3, and then terminating Zone 2/3. So this line kind of doesn't go through Zone 1. Like, as all of you know, if you watch my past videos, the Canberra line is actually the only line currently to go through Zone 1. Unless if you obviously include the trams also go through Zone 1, so yeah. And let's go through the new driver's eye view for this. You can see that there's a tunnel that corresponds with the mountain there, if there's a tunnel or not. So this is the end of the driver's review, and I hope you like this video of new stations, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.